Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, let's start off by starting on our sauce, which we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we're gonna give that a little mixy mix because our pot is hot, y'all. It's hot. And then we're coming in with our tomato sauce. Now this is just regular tomato sauce, y'all. Regular tomato sauce. And hey, don't forget to give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now once we get that all together, we're gonna start seasoning it. So we're gonna come in with a tablespoon of oregano and a tablespoon of basil. Then we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. Then we're gonna give that a mix. Once we get that all mixed up, we're gonna grate in some Parmesan cheese, y'all. That's right, Parmesan cheese. I would say about a 1/4 cup worth. But you know, cheese is always the taste, y'all. Everybody like a little bit more cheese or a little bit less, so do it to taste. Now we're gonna let this simmer on low for about 15 minutes, y'all. About 15 minutes. Now, after about 5 minutes have elapsed, we're gonna go ahead and get our stove preheated. Now, we're gonna preheat this 500 degrees. Now, if your stove can't go to 500 degrees, put it as high as it goes. So let's get our sauce on our crust. Now, this is just a simple crust that I bought from, I think, Save a Lot. Hey, nice thin crust. Here in St. Louis, we like that thin cracker-like crust. That emo style, that's all. But me, myself, I like New York style, Chicago style, every style. But anyway, let's come on in with our mozzarella. Once we get our mozzarella down, we're coming in with our pepperoni. Now this is fresh cut pepperoni, y'all. I buy the whole roll. It's a whole lot cheaper. And hey, you get a whole lot more pepperoni and a better quality pepperoni. Now after we get our pepperoni on, you know, I like me some tomato slices or some type of veg on my pizza. So on this one, I'm gonna do tomato slices, and then we're gonna add a little bit of more mozzarella on top. Oh my goodness, I already know this gonna be good. Wifey loves my pizza. But then let's get that in the oven. Now this is very quick cook. I think this whole thing, the cooking process was like 7 minutes. Takes no time at all, y'all. Let's get this cut up. And oh yeah, that's that cracker crust, y'all. That cracker crust. Guess what, y'all? Be ready to eat. So let's go ahead and grab us a couple of slices. So you know we gotta taste it, y'all. So let's see what it's tasting like, y'all. Oh yeah, that cracker crust, that cracker crust. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.